So what we have here is a Schwinn Axum. This is a 2020 model. And what I've done is I've just upgraded the out of it. Let me talk you through my bike here. So what I've got is, first of all, Suntour Epixon 29-inch, 120mm travel air fork. Oh yeah. Holding on to, up front I've got one set of Mach 1 trucky wheels, 30mm wide. On the back I've got the stupid 141 Boost QR Schwinn Axum wheel. Wrapped around those, up front I've got a Minion DHF 2.5 wide. Up back I've got a Schwalbe Navi Nick 2.25 wide. I don't like it. Moving up to my feet. Oh, I've got a crankset. It's a Shimano FC 6100. It's a 3x crankset with a 1x set chainring, 1x chainring on it. There, a deck ass 104 BCD 32 tooth chainring wrapped around a KMC 10-speed chain wrapped around that, which propels or wraps around or goes to a box Prime 9 box 3 Prime 9 derailleur with a box a Prime 9 box 3 cassette with an 11 to 50 something tooth, 11 to 50 tooth. Yeah, why not? Cassette. Stopping all that is a Shimano set of Shimano M200. No, it's not. Shimano M365 BL365 brake lever, brake caliper setup with 160mm rotors front and back. All that transfers up to my bottom hole through the included Exaform mechanical dropper post with the stock seat right under my booty hole. And pushing all that are my feet connected to a set of Rock Bros pedals. Holding on to all this nonsense and bullshit is my hands connected to a set of ODI Elite Pro grips. That is the 2020 Schwinn Axum rundown. Let's go ride it. DuPont. Here we go. No hands. Across all the railroad tracks. Oh, more. Oh God. Ooh, okay. Should have started on this side. Not so good at that game. I see a wayward golfer out there, buddy. If you are looking for your shot, you are way off base, man. You might as well just drop that bad boy. Hot dog. On the right side, wonder if there's any balls out here we can make our pockets a little heavier. Little detour. Oh yeah, bud, you lost that one. You're gonna want to drop. Just absolutely cruising on this thing. Something I noticed from the beginning, this thing just cruises. A little industrial scenery for you there. Strode right through like a champ. We'll go even faster once I've got my Well, I bought a Maxis, a Segai or an Aggressor. I'm not 100% sure. It's very similar to my Schwinn Knobbyneck, but it's a 2.5 width type. Look at that baby deer. Crikey. Wonder where his mama is. Speed limit is 19 miles an hour here. I very well could break that. Looking for this baby's mama. Baby mama. Goodbye! That thing is whining on the back. It wants to eat some dirt. Uh-oh, bug time. Oh God! Look at that. Can't even pedal through that. That's what stopped me. Crap. Oh my God. Whew. Okay. Quick tick check. None. Stompski. We're on our way. Let's get it. Not gonna do the 3 ponds tonight because time maybe. Just gonna go do the flowier trails. But also that means we're gonna hit this stairs over here with this thing and see how that does. And then into the wood at the bottom. So do that. I'd say that was all right. This thing is a beast. So far so good, nothing's fallen off again yet. Again. Big tree down on the trail. They're all right. I got dogs.
Asshole, a little bit ago.
Really?
He swore that they bit him, but they've never bitten anyone.
They didn't want none of me.
Their nails.
Go on, go on.
My goodness.
Have a good one. Head on back. Tree, the tree. That's a problem. Whoopsie. Oh man. Well, I got another crankset, but it's at home. I am so far away from home. Always something. And then this doesn't want to go back on. No, not like that. It won't. Cool. What the heck is your deal? All right. Well, looks like more push pedaling. And that smells like broke. Dang it. All right, cool, cool, cool. Yeah. Oh, I can't imagine how I ruined my Shimano crank. Oh, that sucks. Dang it. Long walk home, long push home. Here we go. Dang it. Alright, so sit rep. Pedal fell off. But at least I wasn't doing anything crazy. But anyway, now I got a coaster bike. It's fun. I'm still having a good time. Biking in the woods. All right, here's the trick. So you get this in a good high gear, and then you can kind of do one foot push and do this. So get your highest gear and just kind of keep it going. So that's that. All right, back to walking. Love it. I was thinking before I left the house, I was like, first ride, brand new build, should probably bring multi-tool or something. Don't have the multi-tool at my house, of course. I can maybe just bring a set of Allen wrenches, you know? Got the whole backpack. Slip them in there, no problem. Nope. Nope. There we go. All right, my dudes and dudettes, that is it for the Schwinn bike check, breakdown, first ride. Did not go so well, but you know, we'll get it fixed. Figure out, I think I got a problem wrong with the cranks, so it's a good chance to try out that Gnapper crank set that I got from Amazon. So there you go, silver lining. All right, catch you next time when we fix the bike I just built. Okay, bye. Just getting all the parts of the bike. So yeah, that's it. Truck going by, I get nervous when there's people around. It's gonna be a couple miles back to the house. Maybe I can find an Allen wrench somewhere between here and home. That'd be cool. Find an Allen wrench. Put my pedal back on. Put my crank. Would have been slamming this. I can't believe how much stuff I just monster trucked over too. That's crazy.